Today we'll draw the running unicorn. This idea came from Zia. Thanks, Zia. You can make a request too in comments below and make an art submission. Start with a letter-sized paper. Turn it vertically. Fold the bottom up to about half position. Press the fold. We will draw unicorn's body in the middle. The paper edge will help us mark the body. It's about this wide. Mark the left side with a dot and the right side with another dot. Unicorn's body is a narrow rectangle. Mark the bottom with the dot in the middle. Mark the top with also a dot in the middle. Now we'll draw the body shape. Draw a small curve from the left dot. Like this. Start to draw a bigger curve on the right. Go down, passing through the right dot. Stopping just short of an even curve. Alright, now we can draw the back. Connect a straight line to the middle dot. Measure the small curve with our fingers. The neck is about the same length. Draw a short line at an angle. Use your fingers to see how thick the body is. Ear is same distance to the body. Mark the spot for the ear. Connect this dot to the body using a straight line. This is unicorn's neck and body. Now we draw one of the ears. The horn in the middle sticks up higher than the ear. If you want to draw a horse instead, simply leave out the horn. There's another ear on the other side. It's shaped like a small N. To draw the mane, use small waves. Unicorn is an imaginary animal created by the ancient Greek. Its horn has magical powers and can cure diseases. Draw short lines on the horn. Because the horn has a spiral pattern, draw a folded line in the ear. Doesn't look like a unicorn? Don't worry. Now we draw the face. First, draw a circle under the hair. Draw another circle to the left. These are big eyes. Eyes line up with the ears vertically. Inside each eye, draw a small circle. Unicorn's face winds down and curves back. First, it winds down and curves back. Nose and mouth. It looks more like a unicorn now. The mane, which is a line of hair on the neck, it should flow down the neck. Draw with small waves. Let's draw the hairs angled upwards, as if the wind is blowing through. Connect the last wave back to the neck. Tail extends from the unicorn's behind. We draw it using bigger waves. Unicorn looks a lot like a horse, except for the horn on the forehead. You could use the same method for drawing a horse. Now the bottom wave. Connect the two big waves using smaller waves. One up, one down. With that, the tail is done. Do you see what's missing? The legs. It's the same distance from feet to body. Mark the front hoof. Draw a slightly bent line down to the mark. Draw the other side of the leg. Draw a short line across to show the hoof. Connect the body. Draw the leg at the back, could be bent or straight. I will draw it bent. A straight line for the belly. It's a standing pose, so the hind leg is straight. Mark the leg. Draw a slightly bent line down. Draw the other line for the leg. A line for the hoof. Draw the other leg. The standing pose is done. How can we make it more interesting? Open the fold and draw a running pose. Find the belly position and mark it. Extend the front curve. Extend the back curve. Draw a line across belly, leaving space for the legs. Next, draw front legs at an angle, as if running forward. Draw the hoof. Draw the other leg. Hind legs stretch out that way. Draw slightly bent lines at an angle. Draw the hoof. Draw the other leg. The running pose is finished too. Let's test the folding. Standing when folded. Running when opened. Perfect. Let's draw a few shining stars and make the drawing even more pretty. First, draw a letter V upside down. Then a V flips on the left, and a V flips on the right. Finally, a V at the bottom. We just made a four-sided star. Draw another one, this time smaller. Draw a last one about here. The outline is all done. Great job! It's time to color. Use the colors you like. I want to make a 3D effect for the body. To color, simply follow the edge and reinforce it. Fill in the hooves. Color the inside too. I used rainbow colors for the mane and tail. Start with one color. Then fill in your favorite colors in layers. Color the stars at the last. Remember to draw the cheek and the horn. All finished. Isn't it beautiful? Let's test the folding again. Running. Standing. Running. Standing. I decided to add clouds where unicorn stands, as if it's above the clouds. Don't forget the draw inside the fold too. Let's check the fold one more time. Running, standing. Isn't it fun? Our running unicorn is done. If you like it, please like and subscribe. See you next time.